Hello everybody and welcome back to the Mechanical Channel. I have just received a very enthusiastic phone call from Mr. Sean saying that he's at the unit and he's managed to get the lister going. So we're going to nip up and see what he's getting up to. So I'm really excited. I don't know what he's done, but apparently he's found out what the problem was and he has fixed it. So let's see, shall we? Whilst I was on my way, Zach, Tom and Sean were tackling the seized drain tap.
Is that actually going?
No, it's starting to.
Yeah, I just think.
No, it's not. I've got the whole thing moving.
Is he turning up? Yeah.
Sounds too throaty to be a Dacia.
Yeah.
I tell you what, I've off that little factory thing he's got. He's quicker than you expect it to be.
It is actually, yeah. It's got more.
For something that's only got 60 horsepower.
To be fair, we can't talk about Mars being filmed because then you'll know we're being nice about him. Can't be having that.
Hello!
We're double filming.
You're double filming. Oh, I'm filming in filming.
It's happening really.
Oh, that's a reassuring
We've turned
smell.
it into a water feature. I mean, to be fair, we've unseized the tap.
So, does someone want to explain to me one thing? What's with the rubber hose on the...
Well, the fuel tank.
Hang on, you need to stand roughly in the same place. Because
The fuel tap that it was meant to stop the fuel stopping wasn't stopping it stop, and it was very much leaking.
But it was leaking out of itself. Okay, out of the tap itself. It stopped it coming through here. But there's like a, I don't know what it is, maybe it's a piece of leather or something. That's had it.
yeah.
However, what is very impressive, the scope of my genius knows no bounds, because when we put that on, it didn't fit. And then Captain Clever over here had a packet of air fittings, PCL air fittings, and went, I wonder if, because it's half-inch BSP, he went, no way. And he went straight on. So once again, all the purists that will go, wow, you used the wrong tool.
Yeah, this will be sorted at some point. It was just to see if it got it wrong.
Fuel fittings.
Yeah, but this it will, you know.
And that rubber hose is actually off the hydraulic.
So when we were on about the fuel and the mixture, it wasn't that at all, was it?
Doubt it. I mean, it could have caused it to an element and to a degree, but
No.
it was the ignition timing.
Yeah, which everyone on YouTube went, oh, that's fine, that's really great, and it wasn't. Which, to be fair, what made it even harder is on that flywheel, there's no markings at all. So after two guesses, it sort of worked. It's probably slightly out, but it runs, so it's fine.
So yeah, so it's not perfect at the minute, but at least it runs, so we can fine tune things and
Yeah, you get
just tidy the engine up a bit now.
You get the odd backfire on it.
To be fair, it probably isn't the right place, but you wouldn't actually know.
I think it's like it's probably more like the magneto's out slightly rather than the crank.
You wouldn't actually know it's fully out because the marking on the flywheel's missing, and I'm none the wiser, so I'll probably be told off in the comments, but as far as we're aware, because you can't see down the bore, you have to sort of roughly guess where top dead centre is. So until you take the head off and you see what's at top dead centre is, as far as I'm aware, the ignition time is 10 degrees after top dead centre, as far as I'm aware. I could be wrong. So we just sort of guessed and went, seems top dead centre-y enough.
I would lean on that, Zach. You might put your hand straight through it.
Yes, I might be. It's hard to stop the
He has issues with his MX-5. More on the channel with that.
Well, we're getting to that.
Yeah.
Especially now that we have.
He did a little skip then. Did you see that? Yes. Weldy things.
Well,
Yeah.
Tom's being wasted more than else.
probably the worst welder you could have bought.
Yeah, it probably is. It's the cheapest, nastiest welder.
Yeah, but
It
is
works.
it going to be welding a cheap and nasty car?
Is he really put bamboo?
With the lecture over, it was time to see if the little lister would fire into life.
Happy place.
This is gripping. No.
Right next to me here. Out of the other 10 times,
I now don't believe you.
five of them, it's just gone dunk. Edit this out. This didn't happen.
No, this is all staying
No,
in.
no, it didn't. It went first time, like the last 2 hours, and then you turn up and you ruin it.
I haven't touched it. Do you realise how long that took me to pixelate that one piece of paper that had my address on it?
That sounds
It took 2 hours to sort that out.
That sounds like a you problem. Yeah, it's a big carbon.
Oh, look at Betty over there. Pearson!
So, come on out.
With the spark plug free of carbon, we turned the engine over once more. But would it run? Him there says, I've got an idea. Let's go buy a stationary engine and see if we can get it working. To add to his collection of junk. What had started out as a silly impulse purchase had turned into an adventure filled with mishaps. It was originally 95 quid, this lister, wasn't it?
It's gone well, hasn't it?
Yeah.
It's not leaked.
It's not leaked.
Nice floor.
Yeah, it's only made of plywood. Don't. Arguments. You're all right. You're all right. You're all right. Dodgy discoveries.
No. Do you know what you do need?
Oh, dearie me.
Mayonnaise. Shunty bunty, get out of the way.
Shotty bunty.
What's that even mean?
And the occasional injury.
Do you like your shins?
All of which resulted in this.
Great success. Very nice.
So yeah, it now runs. Not perfect, but we'll get it perfect. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the content. What,
That was a bit brown.
what have you done?
Nothing, the water that came out was a little bit poo coloured.